which can be used for both as a soil compaction as well as asphalt. So this is the only roller in the industry which can be used for both the works. So it is quite versatile in its usage. And we have over 30% market share in this with this product. The second product that we have is a mini roller, which is again a double drum, but for small works, small repair works, a single lane widening work, which is where this 4.5 ton mini roller comes and is popular, which is again a fuel efficient engine, and we have over 50% market share in this product in Indian market. The third one is what we introduced, a new modified product which is called 1107DX, which is a soil compactor. There is a lot of railway projects which are now getting active in the Bangladesh market, and this is one of the key products which will get used for the compaction work for the railway lines. This is again a single drum with a water-cooled engine. Again, we have nearly around 25% market share with this product in the Indian market. So these are the three key rollers that will be available in the Bangladesh market. And the next one is the graders, where there are two models that we have. One is 845 and one is 865. The 845 is 173 horsepower and 865 is a 220 horsepower. So quite large. Apart from the road construction, the end-to-end solution, we offer a lot of products which are for the general construction purpose, and that is where the backhoe loaders and the skid steers are getting popularity in the Indian market, and we see that happening in the Bangladesh market also. There, last year we introduced a new range of backhoe loaders, which is called the EX series, which is with the powerful Fiat engine. We have three models there: 770EX, which is a 76 horsepower product, 770EX Magnum, which is an 86 horsepower, and then we have 851EX, which is a 96 horsepower engine. So we have the entire range depending on what kind of application, what kind of work which is required, starting from 76, 86 and 96 horsepower. Some of the unique features of this product: this has got a fuel efficient 4-cylinder Fiat engine. It has got a new S-style boom at the rear so that it can take, it is more versatile and more reliable. We have a cab which is the largest cab in the industry. No other product, no other backhoe loader in the Indian market has cab as large as this, which is nearly 30% more spacious than any other cab. And why we spent so much of time and energy on developing a new cab was because the operator who spends most of his time working in the cab, he needs to have an environment which is comfortable for him. In case he's working on a site, he can even sleep inside. There is enough space for him to lie down and to sleep. And there are buddy seats so that he can, and 2 or 3 of his partners can also travel along with him in the cabin. We've just started exports, as Abhijit was saying, to the Russian market, to African markets, to Southeast Asia. And we also have the version which is available with the air conditioning and heating. Depending on the market, we can offer those variants also into the Bangladesh market. The engine that we have, the engine has a tiltable hood. So in terms of serviceability, which is again a very important aspect for these products, the access to engine, the serviceability is very easy. Apart from this, as I said, the Fiat powertrain engine, the most fuel efficient engine that we have over more than 3 lakh engines running all over the world of this 8000 series engine, which is made in India. It is not imported, so it is 100% localized. And with whatever tests we have done in the market, compared to the market leader, this is at least 15 to 18% lower in terms of fuel consumption versus the market leader in the Indian market. These are some of the fuel efficiency comparisons, wherein the market leader is around 4.5 liters and we are at around 3.97, 4 liters. So there is quite a substantial saving on the fuel for the customer. In fact, our USP is that if a customer is taking it on an installment, then he can actually recover 2 installments in a year because of the lower cost of maintenance and the fuel saving that he has from the product. The other product that is there in the general construction is skid steers. There were some videos which were playing earlier, which this is a very versatile product. It can move onto its axis 360 degrees. So wherever there is space constraint and you need to move material, you can use a skid steer, and it is a very powerful product which is very popular in the European markets and is now gaining popularity in the Southeast Asian markets. It has got over 70 different attachments, so you can use this product for a loader, for a cutter, for drilling holes, for road cleaning purpose. So it's a very versatile product which can move into narrow spaces and give you a good productivity. Apart from that, we have wheel loaders. Some of our wheel loaders, case wheel loaders, are already working with the army and with some of the municipal corporations in Bangladesh. We have two models there, 721F and 821F. These are made in the Lecce plant in Italy, and these are imported from those. So we have one centralized location from where these products are made. So to sum it up, we offer an entire range of products, whether it is for general application or it is for road construction, which are manufactured in India, available at a short notice to the market. You don't have to wait for a longer lead times. And these have been running in the market, in Indian market. So they are reliable, and they're, I would say, in terms of maintenance, in terms of the spare parts availability, for some of the issues that you faced earlier. These are there, already there, running. Spares are right next door. Even from Calcutta, the spares can come in, and we are here to stay. So these are the key things that we'll have to take care, which is the service and the spare parts availability. So that's all I have. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your nice presentation, and I'm sure your address has helped a lot in understanding the product features and benefits in details. To enlighten and inspire our new journey, I'm honored to call upon Mr. M. Anisuddola, Chairman, ACI Group, to put forward his valuable address. Mr. M. Anisuddola, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. His Excellency, Mr. Pankaj Charan, Honorable High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh, our special guest, Engineer Muhammad Wahidur Rahman, Chief Engineer, Local Government Engineering Department, Mr. Abhijit Gupta, Managing Director, Case Construction, India, Dr. Arif Dawla, Managing Director, ACI Limited, Dr. F.H. Ansari, Executive Director, ACI Limited, whose division is responsible for this business, and Mr. Ansari is the mastermind in getting this collaboration together. Assalamu alaikum, good evening, and namaste. I'm very happy to be here today to participate in this, and I would like to point out that this particular choice of getting into this construction machinery is a part of our journey, as the Managing Director has mentioned, that to improve the quality of the life of people of Bangladesh, we need economic growth. For economic growth, this High Commissioner very rightly mentioned the deficit infrastructure of Bangladesh particularly is coming in the way of the people's improvement of life. So the government is very much aware of this. Large allocation has been made with regard to infrastructure development. What is required is all the people who are associated with the infrastructure development must do their part very well. We have partnered with a world-renowned company, 170-year-old, so they have the technology, they have the tradition, and they have their values. ACI as a company partners with companies which have similar values. So it's a good match. And it is our moral responsibility to ensure that the machineries that we supply are properly serviced, their spare parts are available, as the chief engineer has mentioned, that how important it is for these services to be provided. ACI has the experience with regard to our agricultural machineries, and we will be developing the knowledge and the skill. This is our commitment to our principal. We want their support, and we will provide the service as promised. You have seen that we have handed over not only a key, but also an agreement. That agreement speaks of the responsibility we are taking right from day one to make sure that the machinery work well as ACI's values. Quality is our principal value, and quality of service will remain our commitment to all our customers. Today, I appreciate the presence of our potential customers, and I want to assure them that ACI is not just doing business for profit. It is doing business for the development of the country, for the improvement of the quality of life of people. We will maintain that commitment, and we will be steadfast in servicing our customers' needs. Thank you very much for giving this an opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for your inspirational speech. I would now request Dr. F.H. Ansari, Executive Director, Agribusiness, ACI Limited, to deliver his vote of thanks. Dr. F.H. Ansari, please.
Thank you. To start my presentation, I would like to request Mr. Subroto Ranjan, Mr. Tushar Kanti, Mr. Shamsuzzaman, and Mr. Asif to come to the dais. I would like to introduce them in brief. Mr. Subroto Ranjan Das, he is the business director Motor. Basically, he started this business in 2008, and he is now heading the businesses. And he is agriculture engineer. And Mr. Tushar Kanti, he is also agriculture engineer. He is the marketing manager for the motor businesses. He is looking for the institutional business and the institutional customer. Mr. Shamsuzzaman, he is now the product manager for the case. Basically, he will deal this product, and he'll design, he'll prepare the strategy, and also he'll promote this product. And Mr. Asif, he is the agriculture engineer also, and he's our head of services. He got a very high reputation in the tractor industry, and he's our general manager motor for services. Thank you all. Honorable dignitaries, respected invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bangladesh is maintaining an impressive track record on growth and development, though there is a large turbulence in the past, but still it is growing 6%. Little growth from 6 to 7% may cause a serious economic turbulence to the positive direction. To support it, require huge infrastructural development like roads and highways, railway, water distribution setup, city infrastructure, residential and commercial establishment, and many more. Now, in order to support this requirement, case construction equipment is the real answer to the real need. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to thank you all for taking time and effort to be witness in this introductory events. I'm very glad that Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency Mr. Pankaj Saran, High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh, is present to grace this occasion. I thank him for his valuable time and efforts to join us and be a part of this great initiative. I also proudly can remember that in the former Indian High Commissioner to Bangladesh, His Excellency Mr. Pinak Ranjan Chakraborty was the chief guest in the launching ceremony of our tractor business in 2008. And that was the real start of our motor businesses. And now we are one of the three, among the three highest, leading company in Bangladesh in tractor industry. I think his wishes will help us to grow faster and do a better job in Bangladesh. I would like to thank Mr. Anisudullah, the chairman SAA Group, who support and inspire us to the national building activities. I would like to thank a special guest, Engineer Muhammad Wahidur Rahman from LGED. LGED has made it convenient for agro commodities to move countrywide from village to the city. I think